Defects also this is probably an easy one to relate to, right? So any sort of defect within the manufacturing process, or could also apply to back office. So if you don't get the right approvals, or it needs to get kicked back into, let's say, the PO process, could also be a defect in the process versus the product. So any questions, or anyone have any examples from their own experience that any of these just resonate with anyone in their day-to-day? I know. Sure, go ahead.
I used to work for Lucent Technologies, in which, in terms of transportation, this was the most laughable situation. So we had a customer in Japan, and we manufactured the base station, the actual physical box that's underneath these tall cellular towers. We manufactured the cabinet in New Hampshire. The electronics was put in Japan. So we shipped the cabinet over to Japan to put the electronics in. But then we had to logo it in the US. So we shipped the cabinet. These are a 1,200-pound cabinet to New Jersey to logo it, and then do final test and ship it to our customer in Japan.
Wow.
Yes.
So think about all that working capital just tied up on the boat both ways.
Right.
Yeah.
And you're damaged in
It has to be
transit.
sourced in the U.S.
Not to speak of the time this was.
Right. And the funny thing was, the Japanese, which was, this was Mitsubishi, we said, you know, we have to have 95% quality when you ship it over to us. And the funny thing was that they said, what do you mean 95%? That doesn't make sense. Why would I ever ship product that's only 95% quality product? So what they did was they actually shipped us a fully working cabinet, 100%, with 5 broken parts. Just to show us that's 95%.
That's a perfect example. Yeah. That's.
And
Any
it
other
leads,
examples?
leads right into Six Sigma.
I have one, but it's definitely tops mine, so I want to get one.